Are your knees aching or your joints swelling? As we get older, our bodies begin to lose collagen, the protein that cushions and supports our joint. By age 65, we're producing less than half the collagen our bodies truly need. That loss can make every step feel heavier, every joint feel stiffer. But here's the good news. You can actually restore collagen with food. Most seniors don't know this, but recent studies have shown that collagen-rich meals can do more than just slow down joint aging. In just 8 weeks, they've been proven to reduce swelling by nearly half, improve joint flexibility, and even ease inflammation. Today, we're revealing the top 8 collagen-rich foods, ranked from least to most powerful. These aren't just trendy health picks, they've been studied and shown to actually rebuild your joints, reduce fluid retention, and strengthen your legs. And the number 1 food on the list? It has 61% more collagen than anything else found on the planet, and chances are, you've never even tasted it. So, stay tuned, because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly what to eat to give your joints new life. When it comes to repairing joints, collagen is important, but it's only half the story. Your body also needs the right nutrients to kickstart collagen production, and pumpkin seeds do just that. Despite their small size, they're packed with trace minerals like zinc, manganese, and magnesium. These minerals act like fuel for enzymes that produce and stabilize collagen. In fact, manganese helps maintain the flexibility of tissues, while magnesium relaxes muscles and lowers inflammation. In a 2021 study, older adults who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily saw a 19% drop in lower leg swelling and a 27% increase in joint flexibility. Those over 65 with everyday stiffness had the best outcomes. To absorb the minerals better, soak the seeds overnight in salted water. Eat them raw, lightly roasted, or blend them into meals like oatmeal or smoothies. Now, let's talk about one of the most overlooked foods for collagen: canned salmon with bones. Inside those soft, edible bones is a blend of collagen, calcium, gelatin, and phosphorus, nutrients vital for repairing cartilage and supporting joints. A study published in Nutrients showed that seniors eating canned salmon 3 times a week had a 21% reduction in inflammation and 32% better knee flexibility. The omega-3s and collagen peptides work together to lower swelling and stimulate new collagen growth. Choose wild-caught salmon with bones and mash them into the meat. Add it to grain bowls, salads, or avocado toast. The key is to eat both meat and bone together for the full healing effect. If your joints ache or legs swell, this budget-friendly food might be your new secret weapon. For decades, chicken skin was misunderstood and tossed aside, but modern science is revealing a much different story, especially for older adults. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type I collagen, the same type your body uses to support ligaments, cartilage, and joint. When you consume it, you're actually giving your body the exact building blocks it needs to repair damaged joint tissue, restore cushion in your knees, and reduce inflammation that causes stiffness and swelling. In fact, a clinical study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences showed that people over 55 who regularly ate chicken skin experienced up to 40% more joint comfort and a significant reduction in stiffness, just within 12 weeks. Their knees moved more freely, ankle swelling went down, and MRI scans revealed less cartilage breakdown. And all of this came from real food, not expensive supplements. Chicken thighs, wings, and necks with the skin still on provided these benefits naturally, especially when cooked gently, baked, roasted, or simmered in broth. Now, pair this with gelatin, and you've got a powerhouse duo for joint repair. Gelatin is basically cooked collagen extracted from bones and connective tissue. It's highly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs it quickly and sends it straight to the joints, tendons, and ligaments that need help most. In a double-blind study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults with chronic joint pain saw a 27% drop in inflammation and a 37% boost in joint mobility after just 6 weeks of taking gelatin. Some even showed early signs of cartilage thickening, something rarely seen without surgery. If you want to try this yourself, go for unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder with no additives. Stir it into warm water, tea, or broth, or use it to thicken soups and stews. You can even make your own collagen-rich gummies using fruit juice. The key is consistency. Just a small amount daily can help restore your joints from the inside out. So next time you cook, don't throw away that chicken skin. That crispy or tender layer might just help you move easier tomorrow. Chicken skin, often tossed aside, is actually a hidden treasure for seniors. It's packed with type 1 collagen, the same kind that makes up your joints, cartilage, and ligament. When you consume chicken skin, your body receives the exact building blocks it needs to repair and cushion your joint. A clinical study showed that people over 55 who regularly consumed collagen from poultry saw major improvements in joint comfort, less stiffness, and even reduced swelling in just 12 weeks. And all this came from eating real food like chicken thighs, wings, and necks with the skin on. Gentle cooking methods like baking and boiling help preserve the nutrient. Next is gelatin, essentially cooked collagen, absorbed by the body almost instantly. Seniors in a recent study experienced up to a 37% increase in mobility and less joint pain within just 6 weeks of daily gelatin. It's easy to use in warm drinks, soups, or even homemade gummies. Then come sardines, whole, with the skin and bones. These tiny fish are bursting with collagen, calcium, omega-3s, and natural gelatin. Seniors who added them to meals 3 times a week saw impressive improvements in pain and inflammation. Lastly, bone broth. It's more than just comfort food, it's liquid collagen therapy. A cup a day delivers glycine, gelatin, and key minerals that help heal damaged joints. Over 12 weeks, seniors showed less swelling, better mobility, and even thicker cartilage on scans. All from slow-simmered broth. If you're over 60 and battling joint pain, these foods are your best allies, and they don't require drastic changes to your diet. Nature's collagen is right there, on your plate. When it comes to joint pain, swollen ankles, or that uncomfortable grinding in your knees, the real solution might not be in a bottle. It could be simmering on your stove. Foods like bone broth, sardines, beef tendons, and gelatin-rich stews are nature's most powerful tools for restoring joint health. They're packed with collagen, elastin, and minerals that directly support the tissues in your knees, hips, and ankles. Bone broth, when made with connective-rich parts like beef knuckles or chicken backs, slowly releases healing compounds into every sip. Add garlic, vinegar, and herbs, and you've created more than just a soup. You've made a restorative elixir for your joints. Drink it, cook with it, and feel the difference in your step. But if there's one food that deserves a spotlight, it's beef tendons. While they may not sound glamorous, they contain type I collagen, the same kind that strengthens your ligaments, bones, and skin. When simmered properly, beef tendons become soft, gelatinous, and filled with peptides that target damaged joint tissue directly. In a recent clinical trial, seniors who ate collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times a week showed dramatic improvements, more stable walking, less knee stiffness, and better joint fluid density, all confirmed by MRI scans. And here's the best part. It didn't take months or years. In just 30 days, most participants felt real change. To prepare beef tendons at home, slow cook them for 8 to 12 hours with broth, ginger, garlic, or vinegar to unlock their full healing potential. They'll turn into a tender, chewy texture you can add to soups, stews, or rice bowls. And if you've never tried them before, start small. Mix them with soft veggies or bone broth to get used to the flavor and feel. Every bite is an act of healing. This isn't about trends or products, it's about ancient wisdom backed by modern science. These foods replenish the cushion in your knees, smooth out the movement in your hips, and ease the tension in your legs. If you're tired of limping, struggling with stairs, or waking up sore, then maybe it's time to let food be your medicine. These aren't just meals. They're your pathway back to confidence, strength, and mobility. Start with one, stay consistent, and you might just feel the change within a few short weeks. Because your legs deserve support, and you're not finished yet.